Hello, everybody. Thank you so much for joining us today. For today's live training, we're going to be talking about landing pages and how you can make landing pages using VipeCloud. So before we jump into it, if you have any questions at all, throw those into the chat or into the comments if you're tuning into us from the Success Suite. And also you can do the same in directly in YouTube if that's also where you're tuning in. We're going to be there to answer your questions in real time while this live stream is taking place, because yes, this is being recorded ahead of time, but we'll be there to answer your questions as you're watching this. And of course, you can feel free to throw in those questions as well if you're watching this after it has gone live. And as always, too, feel free to reach out to us through our chat widget, either in the product or on our website. We're always there to help. So first of all, what is a landing page? Well, landing pages are typically thought of as being a standalone page that is used for giving people information or collecting people's information for a campaign, for instance. And so there are a couple of ways that VipeCloud supports this. So we have our HTML email template builder. This is very commonly used in our system for creating just like informational pages. If you're sharing information about your products or upcoming events, this is a great way to do that. And it makes just creating a little standalone page really easy. We've also got our sign-up forms, which can be used for a couple of different landing page purposes, as we see here. You got the sign-up form landing page, which is where you just let VipeCloud create a URL for you, which you can then share. And it's just a one page that has some information on it. And most importantly, it has the form for collecting whatever information you need from that person. And then we got our embedded sign-up forms as well. And a single sign-up form can be used for either one of these ways of sharing, but the embedded form is if you're going to be taking our form and inserting it directly into a page of your own through an iframe. That form can be put there in that page to collect people's information. So let's jump right into this here. I'm actually just going to kind of back up a little bit and start from the home page so you can just see how you can get to this. So we're going to start with the HTML type landing pages. And so because these are technically email templates, you're going to go to your communication page, or the communication tab rather, and then down to from emails to templates. Now, you can, of course, create a brand new email template or do this with an existing one. Either way, it all works. But if you're creating a new one, just hit that create button right there. Give it your template title, the subject line, and then you can click on Enable Template Landing Page. Now, of course, if you've already created an email template and you want to turn it into a landing page, you are able to do that, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. But then you'll be choosing the drag and drop HTML builder. Technically speaking, you can create a landing page of a rich text type email, but it's going to be basically just a text that is viewable on a URL. Most people are not looking to do this, but rather they want the colorful, designed looking, sort of web page looking landing pages, because that makes sense. So they'll be using this type. Now, because I've already got some examples here, I'm not going to bother creating a brand new template. I'm just going to jump right into this existing one that I've got right here. So we're going to go into our template. Now, if you see this up here, landing page, and you got the link, congrats, you've got a you've got a landing page ready to go for this. And if we go to that page, here we go. This link is loading up that email template that we're looking at right there. Now, if you have not already turned your HTML template into a landing page, it will look something like this. Here we go. We don't see a URL here, which then means that we need to convert this into a landing page. So we go up here, edit template details, and this will look pretty familiar from when we were making a brand new email template earlier. This is it's asking us the same questions. You can hit enable template landing page, hit save. And now we got a landing page. So this URL right here, all we have to do is simply share it with people, and they will be able to view whatever it is that we have designed right here, as we can see right here. So you're able to preview this, of course, as well. Make sure that everything is looking the way that you want it to. Now, something that's important here, because this is an email template builder, we have these merge tags, and you'll see right here that this merge tag is actually, it's not working. The reason for that is because when somebody is just simply viewing this URL, VipeCloud has no way of knowing who they are. And so it's not going to merge their information if you've just shared the URL with them directly, that is. And so you'll just want to keep that in mind if you're going to be sharing this with people. And if you don't want that merge tag to display like that, then you'll need to edit the template so that you got something a little bit more generic, like maybe hey friend or hey there, or just get rid of this line here altogether. And if you're doing a newsletter and you also want to be able to share this as a landing page, then what most people will do is they will send the email template with the merge tag, so they're greeting people by their first name, but they'll then make a copy of it that is just for the landing page. They'll edit this, and then they'll share that second template as a landing page. One other thing you can note here too is that you're able to customize these links. And so as we can see right here, what comes after that slash right there is something that you can customize. You can personalize it, to your brand. Just note these. Just note this information right here, and that when you make a new landing page link, the previous one won't work, so you'll want to change this before. If you plan on changing it, make sure you change it before you share it. So now let's go to this right here, the sign up form landing pages. So you're going to find your sign up forms under automation, and you'll see the logic there in a second. That's automation and under lead capture, because it's a way that you can automatically capture people's information, get it right in the system, and trigger some cool things to be sent to them right after. So it's under sign up forms. And every sign up form by default is going to have landing page capabilities. You don't need to enable anything. So when we go in here and look at this example we've got, we can see right here, we got these different ways of sharing it, such as the landing page link and the embed code here. Now, just a little thing to note here quickly is that when you make a completely brand new sign up form and you don't have any fields in there at all, this stuff is not going to appear. But once you add the first thing, like first name, last name, email, then you'll get the link and the embed code that'll pop up. And so these actually, you see sign up form landing page, which is the link, and the embedded sign up form, that is this right here. Both of those last options that I gave you right there are displaying right here. So the landing page link, we hit preview. This is the link to our landing page itself, or the page that is linked. And you're also able to customize this link here too, just like basically with any other landing pages that you've got in the system. And then this tab right here for landing page is where you can design this as well. So if you want it to have a header image and a page title, description, basically things that will appear up above this right here, that's where you can go to customize your page. It's a little bit more basic than the HTML builder that we were just looking at. And so if you want a little bit more of a presentation, what you can do is create an HTML template and then link to your sign-up form like this for the to capture their information. Now, for the ultimate customizability, this right here, the embed code, that's the way to go. So if you already have a website and you want to just have your CRM capture the information of people when you're sending them through some sort of a campaign, like a paid campaign, then the embed code really is the way to go, because it's just going to be that form information. And I've actually got an example up here. So this is a VipeCloud landing page. And as you can see, it's all part of our website. We're able to have complete control over what is displaying here. But at the very bottom, we've got a VipeCloud landing page that is embedded in there. As you can see, it's it truly fits right at home in this web page, and it doesn't stand out in any kind of a way like it's looking like it's part of a third party or anything. But it is the VipeCloud page or VipeCloud form. People fill it out, they hit request demo, and it goes right into our CRM internally. So if you already have a web page, then that's probably the way to go, especially for like contact us forms, things like that. All right, so that's the quick overview of how to use landing pages in VipeCloud. If you have any questions at all about this, like if you're looking to use automations, for instance, as well for those sign-up forms, we have other help videos that go into all of that. So definitely check that out if you're wondering how to have emails and series and things like that go to people once they fill out the form. And also, if you're looking to embed a form into your website and you're kind of unsure of how to do that, then by all means, reach out to us. We'll be more than happy to help. So yeah, reach out to us if you have any questions, and I hope you all have a lovely rest of your day. Thank you.